Taking accounting as an online class is sometimes more difficult than doing an in-person accounting class, both for the students and for the professor. And if it's harder for the professor, that means it can be harder for the accounting student. But I'm going to give you 7 tips to help you get an A in your online accounting classes. So welcome to Accounting How To, where we put the fun in accounting fundamentals. I'm your host, Carolyn Grimm, and that's my sidekick, Terrence. Now let's dig right into this plate full of juicy tips. Tip number 1. You've already discovered this one. If your professor isn't doing video lectures, or you don't understand what the professor is telling you, go directly to YouTube. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Go directly to YouTube because there are excellent tutorials available on any topic that you're studying, including accounting. Tip number 2. If you have questions, reach out to your professor. We are being paid to teach you. And any professor who is teaching for the right reasons truly wants you to succeed. So they're going to help. And if you're like me and you had a dud for your first accounting professor, really bad, reach out to a different professor. Don't hold back. Seriously. Never let a bad teacher hold you back from learning the material. Okay? Tip number 3. Your college has learning advisors, tutors available to help you. So reach out to your learning and advising center, your librarian, whoever is there in an information role, and find out what the resources are that are available at your college. There may be free tutors available. Don't wait too long to do that. As soon as you feel like you're getting into trouble, reach out. Because the nature of accounting classes is if you don't get the fundamentals, you will struggle all the way through. So as soon as you're feeling like that first couple of weeks, I don't get what's going on here, absolutely the time to reach out. Do not wait until week 5 of the semester or week 15 of the semester. Do it as soon as you feel like you're not getting the material, okay? Don't struggle with that. Just go get whatever help is available. Tip number 4, and this was a big one that I saw students run into when we went from classroom to online. Technology issues. You've got to be proactive about technology issues, whether you've got a computer that's not working well or you're struggling to get good internet. You've got to be proactive about that. You can't let it slide. So if you don't have good internet or you tend to lose internet, or you have weak internet where you are, make a plan so that you're either going to the college to access their internet or you're going to the library, whatever you need to do to proactively make sure that you have access to your classes, you've got to do that. And don't wait. Please don't wait. Because you don't want to be 6 weeks into the semester and emailing your professor saying, yeah, I didn't have internet, so I couldn't do my homework. You're going to just really make yourself miserable. Don't do that. So be proactive. Tip number 5, we've already touched on this one. It doesn't matter what accounting class you're taking and whether it's in person or online or hybrid, the fundamentals are critical. So everything we do in accounting classes builds on the lessons from the first 4 chapters of Accounting 1, your very first accounting class. So here's what I'm saying. Accounting Jedi, master these you must, because everything else is going to build on that. Tip number 6, there's no substitute for working at it. Read the textbook, ask questions, listen to the lectures, do the homework, study for the tests. It's old school, it's OG, and it works. Tip number 7, you have vast resources at your fingertips, way more than I did when I was learning accounting in the cave with dinosaurs outside the window, okay? You have vast resources. Use them. And hey, subscribe to my channel because you know what? I've got your back. Everything you need in accounting, I can do a video. So please reach out, ask questions, make suggestions for videos you'd like to see. I've got your back, okay? Until next time, stay in balance, my friends.